What if your industrial facility could be ready in half the time? In a world where industries are scaling faster than ever, infrastructure is no longer just a need. It's a race against time. For years, traditional construction has struggled with delays, unexpected costs and inefficiencies. Projects stretch for months, sometimes years. And in business, every delay means missed opportunities and lost revenue. But today, the industry is transforming. A smarter, faster, and more efficient approach is taking over. Driven by innovation, construction is no longer slow, it's strategic. Prefabricated and steel structures are redefining industrial construction. At Geometrics, we deliver precision-engineered buildings designed for speed, strength, and scalability. With streamlined processes and controlled manufacturing, projects are completed faster without compromising quality. From warehouses and manufacturing units to logistics hubs and industrial facilities, modern construction solutions are empowering businesses across sectors. Flexible designs make expansion seamless as your business grows. With advanced design technologies planned, optimized, and executed with accuracy, the result, consistent quality and reliable performance. The future of construction is not just about building structures, it's about building them smarter, faster, and better. It belongs to those who build smarter,